Go home happy with the 2021 Volkswagen Tiguan. Enjoy the peaceful ride and peace of mind you get in this comfortable, safety-minded Tiguan. Its well-equipped, flexible cabin and driver assist tech add confidence to every journey. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: backup camera, floor mats, engine immobilizer. Feel secure and poised in this thoughtfully appointed Tiguan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.